Hi guys, share ko lang no yung isa sa mga recent success natin. Yun nga, nakapasa tayo as certified technical analyst. So, ito, this is an added knowledge. It's more on kung ano yung matututunan natin inside the program instead of the certificate itself. So, syempre, bonus. And we are honored na makatanggap ng ganito certificate. Pero it's more on the learning para makapag-share pa tayo ng mga trading ideas natin. And also, yun nga, para mas maging solid yung foundation natin when it comes to training. So, a very good program talaga, napakaganda. And talagang napakarami mong matututunan. Kahit na, yun nga, medyo nabitin pa nga tayo kahit medyo matagal yung ano, no, yung, yung program. So, it's 3 hours per day yung class, no? So syempre it's a classroom setup. And ayun, kahit 3 hours siya, parang bitin talaga. So gustong-gusto talaga natin matuto when it comes to trading. And kasi syempre pag natuto tayo, kaya natin siyang execute right away, no? And when we execute, we share it to our Telegram community. And ayun, just wanna share. And I'm just honored na yun nga, naging ano tayo, CTA tayo. So, that's it guys. So, if you want to start your trading journey, we can guide you. And nandyan lang yung mga links yan sa description box below or sa may bio natin. So, see you there.